Have you ever felt weighed down by constant bad luck or endless financial struggles? What if I told you there's a simple, ancient ritual that could turn your fortune around, and all it takes is something you put in your shoe? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're going to talk about a powerful yet straightforward Buddhist ritual that has been used for centuries to break the chains of bad luck and financial misfortune. Stick around as we explore how this practice could lead you to a more prosperous future. Feeling trapped by debt and bad luck? Debt and bad luck can have a massive impact on our lives. Financial problems don't just stress us out, they can make us feel hopeless. The sleepless nights, the growing bills, and the never-ending feeling that you can't escape. It's a lot to bear. Many people experience these feelings, where no matter how hard they try, the problems just keep getting worse. But it's not just about the money. Bad luck can strike in unexpected ways. Your car breaks down out of nowhere, you lose a job, or a medical emergency pops up. Each problem chips away at your energy and motivation, making it hard to stay positive when everything seems to be going wrong. This is where ancient wisdom comes in. Over the centuries, people have turned to spiritual practices to break free from these tough situations. Today, we're going to reveal one of these simple practices that could help shift your energy, turn bad luck around, and guide you toward a brighter future. Jake and Emily's story, how a simple ritual changed their lives. Let's take a moment to hear the story of Jake and Emily, a couple struggling with their own financial hardships. Living in a busy city, they had 3 children and several grandchildren relying on them. Jake worked for a big company, and Emily had a small business. For years, they managed fine, until one day Jake lost his job due to downsizing. Shortly after, Emily's business started to fail. The couple tried everything to stay afloat, selling possessions, taking extra jobs, and even borrowing money from friends and family. But nothing seemed to work, and their debts kept growing. As their financial troubles deepened, the stress became unbearable. Their home, once filled with love and laughter, became tense and full of worry. Then, something unexpected happened. One day, Jake visited a Buddhist temple, seeking guidance. There, he met a wise Buddhist sage who listened to his story. The sage shared a simple yet powerful ritual that had been used for generations to ward off bad luck and attract good fortune. Jake was skeptical, but desperate for a change. The ritual: all you need is a bay leaf, salt, and water. The sage explained that all Jake and Emily needed were 3 simple ingredients: a bay leaf, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of water. Bay leaf. This herb has been used for centuries to attract prosperity and ward off negativity. It symbolizes abundance and helps focus positive energy. Salt. Known for its purifying properties, salt represents cleansing and protection. Adding a pinch of salt to the ritual helps clear away bad luck. Water. Water is essential to life and symbolizes renewal. Just a few drops of water represent a fresh start and the ability to adapt to change. The ritual itself was incredibly simple. The sage instructed Jake and Emily to place a bay leaf, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of water in their shoes. As they did this, they were told to focus on a positive intention, whether that was financial success, good health, or happiness. The sage explained that with each step they took, the energy around them would shift. By walking with these simple items in their shoes, they would invite prosperity into their lives and push away negativity. The transformation. From despair to hope. Jake and Emily followed the sage's advice, despite their initial doubts. They placed the bay leaf, salt, and water in their shoes each day, focusing on their desire to break free from debt and bad luck. Over time, they began to notice subtle changes. Suddenly, new opportunities started coming their way. Jake was offered a new job, and Emily's business began attracting more customers. They still had debts to pay off, but for the first time in months, they felt like they could manage. The dark cloud of stress and anxiety that had been hanging over their lives began to lift. But it wasn't just their financial situation that changed. Jake and Emily also experienced a renewed sense of hope. They started smiling more, spending quality time with their family, and feeling grateful for each step forward. It seemed like the ritual had unlocked a path to a brighter, more prosperous future. How you can try this ritual at home. If you've been feeling stuck in a cycle of bad luck or financial hardship, why not give this simple ritual a try? Here's how to do it. Gather your ingredients. You'll need a bay leaf, a pinch of salt, and a small bowl of water. Find a quiet space. Take a moment to sit quietly without distractions. This is where you'll set your intention. Set your intention. Hold the bay leaf and focus on what you want to attract into your life. It could be financial success, health, or positive relationships. Prepare the ritual. Add a pinch of salt to the water and stir gently. Dip the bay leaf into the water, then place it in your shoe. Make sure it stays in place. Walk with intention. Put on your shoes and go about your day, allowing the ritual to work its magic. As you walk, remember your intention and allow positive energy to flow into your life. You can repeat this ritual daily or as often as you need to maintain a positive mindset. The power of intention. The power of this ritual lies not only in the ingredients but also in the belief and intention behind it. By focusing on your desires and taking small steps each day, you can shift your energy and open yourself up to new possibilities. Just like Jake and Emily, you might find that simple practices can lead to profound changes in your life. If you've tried this ritual, we'd love to hear about your experience. Share your story in the comments and let us know how it has impacted your life. Remember, sometimes the simplest actions can lead to the most significant transformations. Thank you for watching our video on this ancient Buddhist ritual. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom and transformative practices. Keep focusing on your intentions, and you might just find yourself walking toward a brighter, more prosperous future.